Hello to my wonderful COMEDK champions. I hope all of you are doing great. So this video is going to be all about how you can go ahead with the registration process, as well as I'll be showing you each and every step of how you have to fill in your application form until your payment is being done. So make sure you watch it completely. Also, if at all you feel that this video had helped you in some ways, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends also who are in need. And first of all, what is COMEDK? It's an examination through which you can get admissions into the colleges of Karnataka. What colleges? Engineering colleges of Karnataka. Now that includes RVC, that includes BMS, MSRIT, and the list goes on. Most of them are really good colleges, and yes, you can definitely give it a try because it can be written by anyone who is an Indian citizen. So let's go ahead. So how to register for COMEDK? First of all, go to their official website. Now in their official website, you will be able to see this, that is register or login. Please click on that. Now once you click on that, you will be ending up in a page like this where they will be asking you about the application number, password, as well as captcha. As of now, you do not have anything. So what do you have to do? You anyway cannot log in. So basically you have to click here for registration. Once you register, you will be getting your ID as well as password. So the next step that we have is go click on register. So click here for register. It will be down there. Now once you do that, what is going to happen? Something like this is going to pop up. That caution, www.comedk.org is the only official website, and everything else up there. Recommended browsers to fill in the form is Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, and Google Chrome, with their versions also being mentioned. And everywhere, wherever you see the star mark, it means that it is mandatory for you to fill in those details out there. And please fill the registration details and click on submit to receive user ID. We will see that in the process, but the only thing is that you have to read through all the information that are given. You will not be able to edit, delete any information after clicking on the submit button. So once you click on submit button, so two places you will be seeing submit button. If at all you're clicking on submit button, there is no going back. You cannot bring any changes to the information that you are giving. I hope that's clear. So once this pop-up comes over here, you will get an option to close it as well. You can click on close once you have read it. Okay. Now, after that, there is this thing. You have to fill in your name as per the ID proof. Just give me a second. My mobile might make some noise. Yes. So over here in the registration detail, my dear children, you have to put your full name of the applicant, not your parents' name. It's your name, and this should be according or as per the government ID proof that you are going to upload. What are the ID proofs that are there as an option? Voter ID, now passport, PAN card, driving license. Now suppose you do not have any of these, so you can go for the other government issued ID proof. For example, what? Your Aadhaar card. So Aadhaar card is also accepted, but please make sure that you have updated your Aadhaar card with the information which aligns with your class 10th results out there. That is very, very important. Okay, now you will see the importance of it very, very soon. So first thing, you have to fill in this name, and note your email ID and mobile number will be used for communication and notification through SMS and email, which is why give a valid email ID as well as password, right? So that is the next step. Suppose if at all you see this particular page, and if you scroll down, what you're going to see? You're going to see this. So over here you have the option to fill in your mobile number. Then you have to retype your mobile number right over here. Again, you have to fill in your email address. You have to retype the email address again. So this is an important process, and I'm telling you, they will make you do it so many times. Why? Because you have to be sure that you are not giving any wrong information. Listen, your user ID is going to come in what you call the mail. Your password is going to come in your mobile number, which is why both of them should be accurately filled. You can give your parents' mobile number or their email ID if at all you think that giving yours would be a big trouble. So please make sure you put a valid email ID as well as mobile number. I'm telling you again. So once you are done with this, okay, once you have filled in this information as in of mobile number and email ID, you have to validate it by generating the OTP. So both your email ID and mobile number is going to get validated to check whether it's actually there or not. So once you click on generate OTP, what is going to happen? You will see a page, a pop-up like this coming up, which says that please enter the image text text in the text box. So there's a captcha given over here. You have to fill in this particular captcha and then click on submit. Okay, click on submit once you have filled in that captcha. Okay, once you have done that, what is going to happen? You will get two options: enter mobile OTP, enter email OTP. Okay, so basically the options for filling in your OTP has come. One OTP is going to come in your mobile phone, one is going to come in your email ID. Now what do you have to do? Once you have filled in this, you have to click on the validate button, otherwise it is not going to get validated. So what do you have to do? Click on the validate button once you have filled in this particular information. Now, if you have done that, OTP of email ID has been validated successfully. Similarly, when you click on validate button near OTP of mobile number, there also this particular thing will be coming up. That is, OTP of mobile number has been validated successfully. Click on OK and then everything is all good to go. Got it? Fine. So that has also been done. Now, if at all we move down, we scroll down, we see certain declaration. Okay, certain declaration as in I have read the information brochure and things like that. There will be so many of the things. Please read it, and once you have read it, only once you have read it, go on, tick on this I agree button. Okay, tick on this I agree button, and once you do that, over here anyway the captcha will be there. You have to fill in the correct captcha. Okay, please make sure that you fill in the correct captcha, and after you are done with that, what do you have to do? You click on preview. Okay, do not go with re-verify first. First, click on preview. Okay, so when you preview, what is going to happen? So whatever you have entered, just a second, I think, yeah. Whatever you have entered, it will be coming up. For example, your full name, Jasmine Joy, that's my name, right? Email address and the mobile number. Payment, obviously it is pending because payment comes at the end. So all of this would be coming in. You have seen it, right? You have seen it. Now what you have to do, click on OK. There's a small OK button down there. Click on OK, and then you would be going back. Now once you go back, again you have this thing, that is preview as well as re-verify. This time you have to click on re-verify. After previewing it, after checking all this information is correct, my dear children, this is pretty much serious. Okay, you cannot use the same mobile number to register again. If at all you have done any mistakes out there, there is no opportunity like that. You have to use another email ID, another mobile number. So don't do that. Now you click on re-verify. Once you click on re-verify, what is going to happen? Something like this is going to come up. So verification for full name of the applicant, your name will be there. So if at all this name is correct, then put a tick mark. Then mobile number, if the number is correct, put a tick mark. If confirm mobile number is correct, again put the tick mark. I told you they asked several times. Again email ID, confirm email ID, you have to put the tick marks for all of them. And then finally, when everything is been done, click on submit. Then only click on submit. And here ends what, my dear children? Here it will be your registration process is going to officially end. You will also get a pop-up like this. The information once submitted cannot be modified. Once you click on submit, it will be coming like that. Click on OK if you have verified the information to be correct and submit. Else click on close to review again and submit. So you have again given an option to verify again. If at all you feel everything is okay, then click on OK. If at all you feel that I have to go back and check, please click on close and go back and check, and then again you can click on re-verify button and then submit. That's all. I hope that's clear. That is how you have to register. Now, so this would be coming up. You have registered successfully. So I'll zoom this in and show it to you. You have registered successfully. Please log out and log in again with the user ID and password shared. So user ID will be shared in your email ID. Password will be shared in your mobile number, as I said. So this message would be coming up, and parallelly you will be getting your user ID as well as password. But how do you log out? At the top corner you can clearly see there's a logout option. Click on that logout thing. Okay, now you have logged out. You have logged out. You are going to receive a text. So this is a text that I received. So your registration for COMEDK UniGoj 2026 entrance exam is successful. Password is this. User ID or application number will be sent to what? Registered email ID. So password I got to know. Now what do you need to do? Go check your email ID. In the email ID you will be getting what? Your application number as well. Or your user ID or application number would be mailed to you. I hope that's clear. Now we take both this information, and when we log out and then we again try to log in, now we have the application number, you can fill in that, you have the password, fill in that and put the captcha and click on the login button. So fill in all the required details over here and then go ahead with the login button. Now once you click on the login button, something like this would be popping up. Okay, so your application is incomplete. Click on go to application button on the top right of the application. So you have to fill in your application. Until now you have just registered yourself, right? So you go there, click on the go to application button. Fine. Now, so once you enter that, you have so many things coming up right over here. So there is a note being put out that is candidate can choose COMEDK only or UniGuage only or both of them if at all you want. Okay. Now please choose options carefully. Please refer below for participating institution and information brochure. Everything is given to you. You can scroll down and check it out if at all you want. This application is only for engineering admission. Click here to view the benefits of opting both COMEDK and UniGuage. You can check it if at all you want. Please note, if you choose COMEDK only, you will be eligible to apply for 150 plus colleges in Karnataka and attend the counselling. If you are eligible to apply for 30 plus colleges across India, okay, wait. And if you choose UniGuage, what is going to happen? Basically, you are eligible to apply for 30 plus colleges across India. Karnataka colleges are not included in UniGuage only. Please know that. So usually everyone goes for COMEDK only. That's the general thing. So you can go for that. Architecture is also there. Candidates interested in only architecture course need not apply compulsorily for engineering also. Okay. Separate application will be given to you for what do you call? Architecture candidates. Yes. Now over here, as you can see, we have to fill in these many information, that is applying for personal details, category details, your academic details and your exam city preference as well as payment. Now once you fill in one information, then only you can go ahead with the next thing. It's not like you can skip and go there. No, that's not possible, right? So first thing that is asked to you is that what are you applying for? Okay, and also, have you been allotted a COMEDK seat in the previous year? So did you participate in COMEDK counselling and were you allotted any seat? These two things have to be filled. So when you click on what you're applying for, you get three options basically. One is COMEDK UGET only. COMEDK UGET only means, just a second, yes. COMEDK UGET only means basically just the undergraduation entrance test for COMEDK. The second one is UniGuage only. The third one is both COMEDK UGET and UniGuage. The pricing for it is different. So most of us go for COMEDK UGET only, and that is for rupees 1,950. If it is UniGuage only, it is 1,600, and if both of them, it will be 3,200. I hope that's clear. Yes. Fine. So you can select whatever is there. I am here guiding you for COMEDK only. Right? Now you have clicked that, and suppose over here you have said that you have not been allotted with any college. So there was one more question, right? Have you been allotted with any college? The answer to this is that I have not been. So you just click on no. If you have been, just click on yes also. Fine. Now, so that is being done. I have selected all the things which are necessary for me, and then I am going ahead. You have to go ahead by clicking on save and next. Remember, if at all you're not clicking on save and next, none of the information which you have filled in is going to get approved. So make sure, or it's not going to be there itself. So make sure you click on save and next, and then what will happen? You'll come on to the next thing, that is your personal details. Again, personal details are divided into few things. One is your personal details, and then your parents' details, and then one more information, your address will be there. So if you scroll down, you will be able to see it. I'll talk about it one by one. Let's talk about your details. So full name of the applicant, you have to put it, as I said, according to the ID proof that you are going to upload. Please mention the name out there. Now candidate name as per the SSLC and 10th marks card. What is your name in the 10th marks card? Please mention that. Candidate's name mentioned above will appear in COMEDK allotment letter and in allotted college admission records. Candidates should ensure they enter the name as per their 10th marks card only. Request to change at a later point will not be entertained. So make sure you are writing a name which is given in your SSLC or your 10th marks card, right? And after that, you have to give in your mobile number and email ID. This is some mandatory things out there. You have to put in your date of birth, and note, provide your date of birth only as an SSLC marks card. Again, your 10th marks card name as well as DOB is super important. Confirm the date of birth. Now over here, you have unique ID proof of applicant. As I said, there can be multiples of them. That as in basically you have options like voter ID, passport, PAN card, driving license, and there is one more thing, that is other government issued ID proof. So whatever you want to select, you can. DOB in unique ID proof that you upload should be in DD, MM, and YYY format, that is date, month and year format. If not, please get the same updated before uploading. So if at all your DOB is not mentioned in this particular format in whatever ID that you're going to upload, make sure you update the ID and then only upload this thing. Okay, you can wait. The last date for this particular application form is 16th March. Don't wait until then. Do it fast, but not as soon as possible. You can take some time to update all the important things out there and then only go ahead with this. Okay, so your DOB which is there should be in this format in the ID proof that you are going to upload. I hope that's clear. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now, as I said, you can click. So unique ID proof number of the applicant. So suppose you have put voter ID, then voter ID number, whatever is there, you can put it. Now there is one more option. As I said, there is an option to click on other government issued ID proof such as Aadhaar card. And suppose, okay, just a second. Okay, suppose I clicked on that, then what you have to do? Then certain things are going to be changed. So other government issued ID proof I have selected, and over here I have mentioned what is this ID proof. So this ID proof is what? Aadhaar card. Then I have to mention what is the number of unique ID proof number of the applicant. That is basically what's my Aadhaar card number. So whatever it is, you have to mention it right over here. If at all you're going with any other unique ID proof out there, as I said, like Aadhaar. Got it? Yes. So keep it as simple. Every one of us has Aadhaar card. Make sure you update it and put it out there. Fine. Works. Now, apart from that, you have to mention your gender, nationality, as well as if at all you are a person with disability, you have to mention that also. Here in nationality, again, Indian, or you have an overseas citizen of India or a person of Indian origin, you can click on that as well. Overseas citizen of India as well as person of Indian origin might have to fill in the annexure which is given in the information brochure and upload it. Okay, cool. So now let's go ahead and let's see the next thing. Parents information. So in parents information, what do you have to fill in? You have to fill in your father's name, you have to fill in your mother's name, you have to fill your father or mother's occupation. Any one person's occupation, you can mention it. And then you have to put in your parents' mobile number, which is working. Please put that mobile number only. Then parents' unique ID proof. Again, in parents' unique ID proof, you will get an option just like how we had voter ID, this ID, that ID and other ID. So whatever ID you're choosing, please make sure you're putting in the unique number also of that. Voter ID, then voter ID number. Okay, if PAN card, then PAN card number, whatever is there. Now, parents' annual income is also being asked. Once you click on that, first of all, once you click on occupation, you are going to get these options, that is education, private sector, government service or others. If it is others, you can click on that and fill in the information. Now, as I said, the annual income range can be coming from less than rupees 6.5 LPA, then it is between 6.5 to 10 LPA, and then it is more than 10 lakhs per annum. So you have to mention whatever is there over here. Cool? Works. So once you have filled in, it will be looking something like this. So over here, I had selected other ID proof, other government ID proof. I have kept Aadhaar card and I had filled in the number of the Aadhaar card as the proof. So you can also do that if at all you want. Okay. Now, next is present address for communication purpose. This is for communication purpose. So make sure you put in your present address wherever you're staying as of now. Your address, the name of the nearest police station, your district, the state, the pin code, everything you have to mention. Now there's a question, is your permanent address same as present address? The answer can be yes or no. Okay. So if it is yes, click on yes, otherwise click on no. And then what you have to do for saving all this information, you have to click on save and submit. Now again, I'm telling you one very important thing. It's not like you cannot make changes over here. You can make changes up to whatever point you want until and unless you go and click on the submit button, which you're going to see towards the end. Okay, until unless then you can make changes. So do not be panicked if at all you are doing some mistakes out there. You can make changes, but as I said, before you click on the final submit button out there. Okay, so as of now, we're just filling column by column things. So we have filled in that also. Okay, and once you click on save and next, something like this will be coming up. Data saved successfully. Just click on OK. Fine. Now, so applying for done. Personal details is done. Now the next one is category details. Now this is really important. So note, candidates claiming Kalyan Karnataka region have to submit their KKR or HKR certificate with RD number and also Karnataka domicile certificate. So if at all you come under Karnataka only but you belong to Kalyan Karnataka region, you have to produce a certificate, that is 371J certificate, and this certificate should be having an RD number. Apart from that, you also have to give Karnataka domicile certificate as well. Please keep in mind, you have to upload it later on. Now, candidates claiming for SC, ST, OBC of Karnataka, okay, suppose you are from Madhya Pradesh and you belong to SC/ST category. You cannot claim for your category over here. Only the children of Karnataka who belongs to SC/ST can claim for this particular categories out there. In that particular case, you have to produce your relevant SC/ST OBC certificate, and also you have to prove that you are from Karnataka, which is why you need a Karnataka domicile certificate as well. I hope that's clear. Yes? So, yeah. And the above certificates are compulsory to claim the category. Therefore, candidates are advised to apply for the same immediately and upload the certificates when required. Candidates submitting the application without uploading the relevant certificates will not be considered for the category that they have applied for. If at all you are not giving documents, you would not be considered for those categories as well. All certificates should be in the name of candidate only. It's not like your parents, it can be on the name of your parents. No. And please refer information brochure to understand the documents that is required. Also, one very important thing I want to tell you, and that is SC/ST category children, you will not have any difference in the cutoff range. Even if you're applying, there won't be any difference in the cutoff range. You would have a benefit only for claiming your eligibility. So, general merit category children should be having an aggregate of 45% in this subjects together, that is PCM together. But for you, it will be 40%. So, you have lower eligibility. Apart from that, there is no benefit of having a lower cutoff. Now, for Kalyan Karnataka region, the previous year, the cutoff definitely varied. You had a lower cutoff in comparison to the general merit category children. I hope that's clear. Yeah, this year there can be some changes out there. If at all there are, we'll let you know. Okay, so yes, we'll come again. Oh, by the way, we are coming up with all about COMEDK video also. Make sure you watch it if at all you are doubtful about the examination that you're gonna give. Fine. Now, so you have to click on what do you belong to and what is your category. So for options that you have, you can be either a person who is not belonging to Karnataka, so then you go for non-Karnataka. And over here, you can go ahead with what? The category that is there. You just have one choice, and that is general merit. So for all non-Karnataka candidates, there's only one choice, and that is what? General merit. You do not have SC, ST, OBC option, as I told you. So if you are from non-Karnataka region, there will be only one category available, general merit. Okay, fine. If I choose Karnataka, then my dear children, you have to choose an option whether you are from Karnataka from birth or basically you are a resident, as in you have a domicile over here. You have to choose that. And apart from that, do you belong to Kalyan Karnataka region? You have to click. So do you belong to? You can go with yes or no. If at all yes, then what part of Kalyan Karnataka region do you belong to? You have to mention that also. Then you have to mention your category, whether you come under general merit or SC, ST and the other things, OBC also. Okay. So it will look something like this. Suppose over here I am clicking on I am belonging to Karnataka by birth, and basically I do not belong to Kalyan Karnataka region. So there is no option out there, and here I have to choose the category. I have to choose general merit over here. You can choose something else as well. Okay, and now going ahead. Okay, going ahead, there is one more thing, that is if at all you are choosing yes. Suppose you are choosing yes, as I said, for Kalyan Karnataka region, you would be having the options to choose from these places out there. Where do you belong to? You have to mention that also. Okay? So make sure that you basically, wherever, whatever region you belong to, or if you are from Karnataka, if you're claiming for any categories, make sure you have your documents ready. And if you have your documents ready, put this as SC, ST, OBC. Only Karnataka champions can do that, okay? Or people who belong into Karnataka can do that. Otherwise, you cannot. For others, it's just general merit, I'm telling you again. Now, there can be a case whether you are from Karnataka and you also belong to Kalyan Karnataka region and you also are SC, ST, OBC category. You can click regarding, you can fill in the information in response to that. Okay, but you would have to produce all the documents. Kalyan Karnataka region certificate, that is 371J certificate, also SST OBC certificate, and the Karnataka domicile certificate. Got it? Yes. So once you're done with that, again go and click on save and next. Again, I'm telling you, you can come back and change in your options if at all you're not clicked on the submit button. Cool? Yes, ma'am. So that is being done. So category details are also been done. Now we come with academic details. So academic details, as in the qualifying examination, it is PU1, PU2 basically for Karnataka or any other places out there, and also 12th grade. So either things might be written, it's just same thing, 12th grade. You're talking about the 12th grade. That is your qualifying examination, right? Now, qualifying exam completed or are you pursuing? There's a question. Have you completed it? That means are you a dropper? And are you pursuing it? That means are you a regular student as of now? So board of qualifying examination, from which board are you giving the examination? You can select the board out there and name of the institution where you last studied. Okay, wherever you studied, my dear children, suppose you have basically completed it 1 year before, so the name of institution that you have studied, or if at all you are pursuing, then the name of institution that you are studying as of now. You have to fill in that information. Now, state in which your institution is located. So wherever your institution was located or is located, you can mention that, and please mention the city as well. Okay, and after that, your roll number, registration number, index number, or unique ID of your 10th standard marks card. So you can belong to different boards, which is why they have given multiple options out there depending on whatever board. For example, in CBSE you have registration number. So you can roll number, you can fill in that particular information out there. So depending on whatever board is there, you can fill in the information as per that. Now, are you giving any other entrance examination? So IIT, JEE, Karnataka CET, that is KCET, NATA, other state CET, others none. So you can mention that as well. Okay, please mention that also. Now, suppose over here I am mentioning that I have completed my education before, I'm a dropper. Then you will be asked that month and year of passing qualifying examination, that is going to be asked to you. And apart from that, board of the qualifying examination, from which board did you pass, name of the institution that you studied, and state where you studied, and also the city. So the new thing that will be asked to you is what? Basically, one is the month and the year of passing the qualifying examination, and over here you have to give your 10th standard roll number, registration, and also your 12th standard or second PUC roll number, registration number, or index number, or unique ID, whatever is there. Okay, so those are the few things that you have to fill in extra. So that is about you. That is about you, right? Now, if you scroll down a bit, so this is how I have filled it. So I have mentioned that 12th standard, you are pursuing this. I have basically CBSE board that I am studying in as of now, and the name of the institution that I am studying, where I am studying, and basically the city that I belong to. To mention that, the roll number of my 10th standard, and I am also giving KCET examination. So I have mentioned that. Fine. Now, if you scroll down from there, you will see some general instructions for uploading images as well as documents. Read through this information really well. So check correctness of image uploaded after you upload your scanned image. So once you have uploaded your image, please click on that and check whether it's correct or not. If you're not satisfied with the uploaded image, you can upload again. Okay, only JPG and PDF formats are accepted. None of the other things are going to be accepted. For photo, maximum size is 160 KB. Click here to view the sample photo images that are acceptable. So you can click here and see what type of pictures would be acceptable. Your face should be clearly visible. All your facial features should be visible. It's not like hair should be coming up over here like that. It would not be taken up. So I'll tell you one thing. Okay, they will take up right now because it matches up the resolution. Later on, when they check it, they will reject it. That's what I am telling you. Please do not give them a chance to reject your form. Rather, have it clear and have a light background for clicking the image. Okay, so yes. So click here and you can go see what is accepted, what is not accepted. Signature size, maximum size is up to 160 KB. Again, click here to see what is accepted. ID proof, please upload the scanned image of unique ID proof as selected in the personal details. So whatever unique ID proof is selected over there, you have to create a scanned image of that. If your document upload consists of more than one page, please combine it in one file and then only upload it. Don't have multiple files, give it to them, don't let the lad. Only one file should be uploaded. I hope that's clear. Yes, yes. Okay. Now, list of documents to be uploaded if you choose HK, that is Hyderabad, Karnataka region, or KKR region, and also you click on general merit. Then yes, your image of the applicant photo, applicant signature, upload scanned image of your unique identity proof that is given, SSLC marks card. Apart from that, since you have clicked on HKR region, so HKR certificate and Karnataka domicile, and if at all you have any other additional documents, you can submit that also. But these are mandatory things, okay? These are mandatory things. And parents documents also, you have to upload your parents' signature, and also what unique ID proof you showed for them, you have to upload that also. Then you can go ahead with save and submit. But save and next, just a second, okay? Now, if at all you are someone who took HK region and also mentioned that you belong to SC/ST category, then you have to give one more certificate, that is SC/ST OBC certificate. Rest everything remains to be the same itself. Now, if at all you are from non-Karnataka region and basically you just have one option, that is to go ahead with general merit. So you do not have much details to fill in, just your application photo, your applicant's signature, your ID proof picture, and also you have your 10th marks card and any additional documents if at all you need, your parent's signature and your parent's ID proof out there. Okay, that's all. Then go ahead and click on save and next. I'll show you an example. Suppose over here I'm clicking on click here to upload. So I'll get an option to choose from my desktop, browse it from my PC out there. So I can choose and it will come like this, file uploaded successfully. Why? Because over here the file size was below 160 KB. That is why it was being uploaded successfully. Now I can click on close. Once I click on close, what is going to happen? A tick is going to come. But I'll tell you again, this is just checking the resolution. If at all it does not matches the resolution, it is not going to be uploaded. But there can be a case where it is uploaded because it matches your resolution, but it is not the correct format of putting the picture. Your hair is like this. Still, it will be uploaded. What is going to happen? Later on, it is going to be rejected. So don't give them a chance. I'm telling you again. So please upload it and please click on view to preview it once. Okay, do that. All of the pictures that is there. See if it all is clearly visible or not, and then only go ahead. And then go ahead with save and next button. Okay, save and next. Once you click on that, you would be coming to the last phase, that is exam city preference as well as payment. So over here, you can select 3 cities in order of your preference. So whatever is your order, you can select according to that. And yes, so exam city preference number 1, number 2, number 3. Now I tried one very important thing, and that is I tried to fill in. For example, I am in Bangalore, and in Bangalore I have multiple options. So Karnataka Bangalore near Banchankri is one option. Okay, Karnataka Bangalore near Banarghata is another option. Now third option I was going to give near some other place, but in Bangalore itself. They said it cannot take place. You have to choose from somewhere else. So I took it as Kerala and Ernakulam. It can be Karnataka, but other region of Karnataka except Bangalore. You get it? So 2 of these options can be, if at all your city is being repeated twice, but specifically at multiple location, then you can give first and second option like that, but third option cannot be like that. Okay, so make sure you put only those options where you can actually reach up. Okay, because any of these 3 locations can be given to you. I hope that's clear. Right, now once you scroll down, you will be able to see what type of present payment mode are you going to click. So it's online, and the total fee is what? 1950. So over here you have all the things. I declare that I have read the information brochure. Put a tick mark of all on all of it if at all you agree with that. And now over here, fill in the captcha which is there. Now this is the button that I was talking about, dangerous button. So you have an option to go back, you have an option to preview, you have an option to submit. You have not done the payment yet, but still if at all you click on submit, whatever information is going to be there, it is going to be saved. You cannot change any of it now. You get it? So if you think that I have done any mistake, what do you have to do? Do not click on submit. Click on preview and check where did you get it wrong. Correct it. Come back again, preview it again, check it once more, and then only go ahead with the submit option. So ma'am, you said in editing window we can change. There are 4 things that you cannot change. Exam city you cannot change. Your name you cannot change. Your email ID you cannot change. Your mobile number you cannot change. These 4 things cannot be changed. So have that in your head. And then go ahead, click on the submit button only after previewing, only after checking it well. Now once you do that, you will be ending up in the payment page. You have options, UPI cards, net banking, etc. You can do the payment and get the printout of the application form. The application form would not be asked by them. It's for your reference only. You can keep it for yourself. I hope that this helped you. Now obviously there might be so many doubts that are still there in your head. If at all it is there, you can ask to us, do not shy away. Okay, so whatever your doubt is, you can ask, but make sure you go through the information brochure well before you go ahead. We will also be making several videos, so do not forget to hit on the subscribe button as well for not missing out on any information. And did you like the video? If at all you did, click on the like button and share it with your friends. Now everyone who is appearing for COMEDK who is from Karnataka, I'm pretty sure you are giving KCET examination also, and we have launched ABHYAS KCET test series exclusively for all of you. There are 35 mock tests, chapter wise KCET PYQs, and the whole PCMB coverage is there. So this is perfectly online. You do not have to come here and attend it. And previous year it was launched, and my dear children, trust me, out of so many champions who gave the examination, our children also got great ranks, not great ranks, top ranks. Prajwal was there with rank 171, Kiran with rank 443, Diksha with rank 693. It's a really good thing, right? And we hope that you are the next people out there. The pricing for it is rupees 1499. It's just similar to when you buy a PYQ book. The only, the better aspect of this is that here you get a process where the user interface is nice, and basically you get an understanding about your timings, your speed and accuracy also, because as I said, everything is under timed condition over here. Okay, so if at all you need it, go check out the link in the description section, and wishing you all the best. Thank you so much. Lots of love. Bye-bye.